folks, welcome to School of English. Now, we are in the second part of present perfect tense. Actually, this is the first video lesson. We'll start talking about the use of present perfect tense. Where do we use present perfect tense? First of all, as we always do, let's start with its basic usage. Basically, present perfect tense sets a bridge, sets a connection point between the past and the present. Particularly recent past events. This part is very important. Recent past events which have some kind of importance, result or effect in the present are expressed using present perfect tense. This is the key to present perfect tense usage. Actually, present perfect tense does what simple past tense does. They are the same. I lost my wallet. I have lost my wallet. It is the same meaning. But if you choose to use I have lost my wallet, it means that, without the time expression, it means that that action has a kind of importance, result or effect in the present. That's why you choose to use present perfect tense. Okay, I lost my wallet. This is simple past tense. That's narration. You're just telling the story of what you experienced in the past. When you choose to use I've lost my wallet, it may mean I'm still looking for it. Look, this is the present result or effect. That's why I use I have lost my wallet. He had an accident. This is simple past. It's simple narration. Just talking about an event that happened in the past. If you use he has had an accident, then maybe you mean he's still in the hospital. To be in the hospital for that person is its present result or effect. Got it? This is the key concept. This is the basic logic behind the use of present perfect tense. Of course, it has many other functions that we will study in the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching.